Electrical risks can threaten lives and assets if not managed properly. This video explores how eAuditor's electrical risk assessment template ensures safety compliance and hazard control. Discover how systematic evaluations protect against shocks, fires, and equipment failures. Electrical risk assessment prevents shocks, fires, and equipment malfunctions. It aligns with international standards for safety. Identifying hazards like shocks and fire risks is crucial. Installation safety is evaluated through wiring and equipment checks. eAuditor standardizes inspection and enables real-time hazard reporting. Safety checks cover installations, wiring, and grounding. Conditions of switchboards and circuit breakers are evaluated. Wiring integrity is assessed for damage and overload. Grounding systems are checked for resistance and corrosion. Proper installation prevents exposure to live conductors. Equipment is inspected for overheating and unusual noises. Arc flash risks are managed with boundaries and PPE. Fire prevention involves checking circuit overloads and alarms. Portable equipment safety is ensured through regular checks. Damaged tools are removed and serviced promptly. Templates are developed to include checklists and risk scoring. Site inspections verify infrastructure and capture evidence. Risks are classified from critical to low. Corrective actions are assigned and tracked. Mobile inspections improve reporting speed and accuracy. Reports summarize electrical risks and map hazard locations. Severity ratings and corrective actions are documented. Monitoring tracks repeated incidents and equipment failures. Maintenance schedules ensure preventive measures. Continuous improvement integrates with safety compliance. eAuditor enhances electrical safety through structured assessments and real-time monitoring. It supports hazard identification, installation evaluation, and preventive controls. This approach ensures compliance and protects both people